what is up? So, I'm going to do something a little different, I think. How do I not be too aggressive about this? In this new age of everybody's an influencer, every snowmobiler is an athlete, it's really hard to get real honest opinion on products. There's not too many bad products in the snowmobile industry, but you would never know the way these ambassadors stroke off their sponsors. For a 10% discount, they'll tell you it's the greatest thing ever, and there might be some issues. I'm just going to buy the shit I like, try it, test it. If it's good, I'm going to tell you it's good, and if it's shit, I'm going to tell you it's shit. Yeah, I paid full price for this. I'm an aggressively mediocre average rider. Decent at best. Take that for what it's worth, and if you could give a fuck less about my opinion, that's cool too. That said, Tempest goggles. I saw a few people wearing them, and the idea seemed pretty stellar. Everything seemed positive, so I scooped a pair earlier this year, and then stoked to try them. Let's unbox them. They have their own built-in battery. It's supposed to be anti-fog. It's supposed to work really good without the big bulky batteries like 509 or a couple of the other ones. Colby. That's for me. Very fancy case. I like that already. Ooh. Strong start. It's always nice to be appreciated. Thank you for your purchase and support of our small business. Capture the stoke and take us in your adventures. If it's good, I will. Got some stickers, some instructions. I got the, what did I get? I went Snowmobile Infinity, blue mirror, black gray strap, yellow bonus lens. $255. So, got goggles, backup, bonus lens, charging cord. Looks like I just use a USB-C. Oh, nice goggle bag. So it's got room for the goggles and a spare lens in here. Maybe 2 goggles if you did it right. Not sure, but a friendly reminder, avoid touching the inner lens surface with hard objects. Hard objects. If cleaning becomes necessary, use a soft cloth only. My package has been delivered. Never mind. Remove the outer lens only when performing cleaning or lens swaps. So these also have the magnetic lenses, I believe. I like those on my 509s. It's about the only thing I liked. Well, that's not true, but oh, very nice. Sick blowjob, brother. Well, that's kind of cool. So there's a clear lens in there already. Something that just stays all the time? Blam. Strap seems decent, nothing crazy. I'm making content, shut up. Content influencer guy over here. What a douche. Foam seems decent. Guess the true test, I should go get a helmet. 1 minute later. Alright. This is one of my 509s. Shut up. So, what is this? Altitude 2.0? It's a decent helmet. It's comfy. I wouldn't trust it with a ton of huge slams, but it was alright. And these goggles, I don't know which version they are. I liked them when they weren't fogged, which was a lot of the time. This is a large, I believe. I do like the fitlock though. First initial thoughts is there's not a ton of foam on the outside of the goggles. Like in this area, definitely going to need a balaclava or something to cover up that exposed skin, because you will get some frostbite. But it's not all bad either. Sometimes too much foam makes it harder to get a good seal, but you can tell. Oh shit, yeah, I look good. So they sit back in the opening quite well. I like that. I think they're always on. You don't have to turn them on or off like a battery one. Let me try and fog them. I can't tell, I'm not a scientist. But overall, I'm pretty excited about these, to be honest. Let's see how that might be a problem. Oh, not bad. Not bad. I'll bring this over so you can get a better view. Guess it would have been easier to just shoot this after, but one take, one shot. You know what I'm saying? That's what we're working with. Guess we'll see. See you on the snow. Oh, what do the fancy YouTubers say? Subscribe, like, comment. Just subscribe for now. If you want to see anything more on them, let me know. Otherwise, see you in part 2.